Hi there everyone, in this video I will show you how to post long video as reels on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, let me just open up the Instagram application, and then from here if we just tap on the plus icon, we will see the reels option right in bottom. So if we go to the reels option, and as you can see, this video is 3 minutes and 40 seconds long. So if you just tap on the video, this video will be like 180 seconds, or you can see only you can post 1 minute and 30 seconds, which is 90 seconds long reels, but we want to post the whole video. So how we can post that? So for that reason, let's just go back and start again. So now you need to select the post option, not the reels option. So go to the post option like this, and now select the video like this one, which is like 3 minutes and 41 seconds long. So you need to select this one and then tap on the next button. Alright, then you need to tap on the next, and then as you can see, we got many more options. So it's very simple guys. Let's just post it out and find out if it works as a reels or not. So if we just tap on the share button, it will upload the video. Right, as you can see guys, we are back and the video has been published. So if we go to our profile, and as you can see this video, if we go to this video, if we tap on the video, and if you just want to see how much long is the video, as you can see we have posted the full video like this, and it is being posted as a reels as well. On the bottom side you can see this is a reels. So again, if we go back and go to the reels section in the profile, as you can see this video has been posted as a reel. So that's how you can post long videos as a reel on Instagram. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one.